First things first, in n8n, click on Credentials. Then hit the ++ button, select Credentials again, and choose Personal. Now search for OpenAI and click Continue. As you can see, you'll need an API key from OpenAI. Open a new tab and go to the OpenAI API platform. Log into your account, then navigate to the API reference section. In the search bar, type API keys. Go ahead and create a new secret key, give it a name, select Default Project, and click Create. Once your API key is generated, click Copy. Go back to the n8n tab and paste the key into the API key field. Click Modify if you want to change the name of this credential, then hit Save. And that's it. Your connection has been successfully tested. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Channel.